Texas Panhandle. I'm really glad the driver in the black truck was able to maintain control. In the front view, you can't see the car coming from the highway, but you can see the yield sign. In the rear view, you see that the driver who was merging didn't care at all that there were cars coming. Semi starts a multi-vehicle crash. Was coming around a corner on a 2-lane road and was almost hit head-on by someone passing on a double yellow line at a blind curve. Fortunately, there was room for them to dive back into their lane. Bad drivers. Caught her. Laughing about almost hitting me when I passed. Delray Beach, Florida. Late left turn at intersection. Who do you think is at fault? Either the driver doesn't know how to look to the left, or the other guy was speeding at the speed of light. Of course, this is an acceptable speed. The driver of the black car lost control and caused a big accident on the highway. A fatal accident involving a Lada Oka and a Lada Niva, walks. A 69-year-old driver of an Oka driving from Samara towards Orenburg did not give way to an oncoming Lada Niva when turning left. As a result of the collision, the Oka passenger died at the scene before the ambulance arrived. The driver of the car was unable to control the vehicle due to the enormous speed. As a result, he collided with an oncoming car as if with a springboard. The condition of the victims is unknown. That's all for today. Thank you for watching these fragments. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you soon.